I'm Nick Brown with Illinois Extension, and today we're going to make asparagus and ginger fried rice.
Cook 3 cups of brown rice according to the directions, or use leftover rice. Heat a large skillet over medium heat until a bead of water sizzles and evaporates on contact. Add 1 tablespoon of canola or peanut oil and swirl to coat the base of the skillet. Add 1 tablespoon of grated fresh ginger, or you can use a 1/4 teaspoon of ground ginger, and 2 finely chopped green onions to the skillet. Cook for about 30 seconds. Add 1 pound of fresh asparagus that has been cut into 1.5-inch lengths and stir fry for about 3 minutes until tender crisp. Make sure you do not overcook the asparagus. Add an additional tablespoon of oil to the pan. Toss in the rice and break up any clumps of rice with a spatula. Continue to stir fry until the rice starts to turn a golden brown, probably about 2 minutes. Add 1 tablespoon of reduced sodium soy sauce and stir until well mixed into the rice. Season to taste with salt and pepper.
Eat, Move, Save.